Hello, hopefully the wind's going to work with us. Daryl Rhodes here with What Pond, your pond specialist. And yeah, it's the last week of March 2018 and we still got a bunch of snow. And more to come, it sounds like. But at least the ice off the pond, we're going to try out the new product. It's not a new product, it's a new redesigned product. Remember the Deskuzzer? This is going to be the Deskuzzer 2.0. Main difference, the original Deskuzzer had a it's a big long float that sat right on the water and came across, and your heavier objects would get down underneath it, but it was harder to capture things out in the open water. So and just jump right into it now, that if you're trying to get duckweed or leaves or anything out, let the wind help you push it off into a corner somewhere and then toss out and pull it in to get that stuff out. The more condensed and compact it is in one location, the more stuff you're going to grab. Careful not to grab too much or it's going to get too heavy to pull out. So we're going to go ahead and put this together. There's instructions that come with it. It's not fully assembled. There's some things you got to do. Put the floats on the side, and the difference on this one is there's two floats on the side and the mouth is open, so where the float sits in the water, the water surface can go right in and through the seam, which will collect more material. So let's put it together. It's not too hard, at least if I read the directions right. Not drop anything in the pond, but there's a left and a right float. Left and a right float, and you got to remember, it'll be easy to tell. There's your opening. There's a gray bar. Now, can you see this? Gray bar and a white bar. Then the white bar is heavy, so that's going to be your bottom. You're going to set it up as you are going to be pulling it to you. So this will be the, there goes my brain. This is my right and be your left, so wonder what that does. So left, we'll see if things line up. It should be okay because he's got holes drilled on both sides and makes it easy because it's a little clip, little spring, pushes in and then make sure it pops into the hole when you put it together. And these are color coded, so you got the gray one's going to go to the gray side. We're going to make sure, tell your left and right, you're going to end up going with the holes. So this is the right, so we're going to go on the right as we're pulling it. So it'll be your right as you're looking at the Deskuzzer as we're pulling it through the pond. It slid in, I heard it click. Line up the other hole, or the other pipe. Push the button in. Might not hear it click, but you want to make sure it comes up close to the surface. And we'll do the other side. Easy now. And there we have it. There's a new Deskuzzer 2.0. So when it sits in the water, we're going to be floating at some point here, which allows the surface of the water, anything that's on the top, able to get into the net. So I don't freeze to death here. Let's get this untangled. We'll throw it out. Another tip option you want to do is the end of the rope by the end. When you throw it, you don't want to hold on to the rope and let the rope go, because it's going to give you a rope burn. So I've always taken and tied a knot at the back. Tie a knot, loop it through. Now you got something to hold on to. You hold on to this end, let everything else go out as you throw it, and you're not going to get rope burn, and you're not going to throw it too far and end up having to wait for it to blow to the other side to get it out again. So let's see if we can do this. Can't see the screen too well, but we'll give it a toss and see what happens. Make sure you're not standing on a rope. Let's bring you closer so you can see what's going on. Hold on. All right, so another way to know if you're doing it right. Small side of the float to the bottom of the water. Your heavy side's down there as well. So we got it together right. I'm gonna hold it about in the middle. And I'll use this side to push as I throw it out. Do short throws so you get used to it. So you don't end up pointing the other way or backwards. It can get irritating or frustrating at times. But overall, then just pull back in slow as you're capturing the scuzz on top of the pond. It'd be better to do it on shore, then you can slide it up on shore. You get this too full and you're pulling up on a dock. Wow, water's cold. It's gonna get heavy. So that's all I got for now for the Deskuzzer 2.0, and I'm sure this will freeze pretty soon. So we're gonna get in the house and get it back in the barn, let it dry out. That's Daryl Rhodes with What Pond, your pond specialist. Check the website out. You can purchase it there, or use our contact menu button and shoot us an email. Talk to you later. Bye for now.